Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software and on different topics related to civil engineering field. So, what are we going to learn today? The next step. So, on the planes level, you don't have the slabs, okay? So you will have the slabs on this level. So how to cast the slab over here? So in the concrete you have to go to slab and then you will have slab. So you can just make the slabs either from the midpoint or the intersection point, or it is better to cast the slab from end points. Okay, so you have to select the slab, go to the end points, and on the third point either you can just double click on here and your slab will be there. Okay, now you can see I have a slab of thickness 100 over here, so that is correct, that is the usual slab thickness over here. So you can work in this way and you can just simply apply the slabs over here. Okay, or if you want, then you can also copy the slabs, like all the dimensions over here are same, so I can simply copy the slabs. If you want to work with the trapezoidal footing, then you will have to modify the footings. Okay, you can modify the footings, but then you will have to just place the reinforcements manually. Okay, that will not the apps will not work on that. Okay, I will also show you how to just place the reinforcement. So since all the slabs over here are having the same thing, so I can simply select the slab. Okay, then I can just click on it, then copy, either copy in the linear way. Okay, so I can simply grab the point and bring it over here, then click on copy and it will be copied. Now the next thing that I can do, I can select the two slabs at a time, hitting the control button on my mouse, and I'm selecting the two slabs over here. Then I will simply copy a special, go to linear, grab the point and bring it to the endpoint. So you can see all my slabs have been copied. Now there is one interesting thing that I want to show you over here. Like if you want to get the copies of this slab on the top floor, then if it is a this model, or like this model is simple one and you can automatically select all the slabs over here. But if you are going to work on a complex model, then you will have to go through a different technique. Okay, now there is another technique of copying the slabs over here. What you need to do, you need to just select the beams. Okay, now once you will select the beams over here, you can select it and hide it. Okay, so it will help you out while selecting the slabs out there. So now I'm just clicking on it and clicking on the hide, and now it is easy for me to select the slab, so I will hide it too. Now the slab selection is easy. Otherwise, once you will go for the slab selection, then it will give you a hard time to select the slabs. Okay, now I can easily select this. Now that all my slabs are selected, I can right click on it, go to copy spatial, then linear, and I want to make a copy of it in the z direction at a height of 3000. So I'll simply click on copy, and yes, I want to keep the duplicates. So this leg slab was not selected, I guess, so I can select it again. Okay, and I can always make a copy using my regular method, that is grab the endpoint over here. Okay, so this way you can simply just get the slabs. Now you can see over here in the Tekla Structural Designer, both the post tension and the pre-tension members can be designed. So now you can see in our model we have already placed the slabs over here. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to get all the members that were hidden over here. So what I can do over here, I can simply go and click at any point in the space over here. I don't have to click on any member, just the space, and click on redraw view, and you can see that all the members that were hidden, that I have made the beams hidden in order to select the slabs easily, and now I have all the things over here. So it doesn't matter if you have accidentally selected anything, and now you are regretting that okay, all those things were hidden, so you can always redraw the view and get those things back. So in today's class we have covered the modeling portion, how to do the modeling, and there will be one more session in which we will learn how to do the reinforcements. Okay, so guys, I will just keep the session till here. So guys, that was all for today. If you want more such informative videos, then you can visit our YouTube channel, as well as you can also visit our Facebook page, where you will find a number of YouTube videos and the informative posts related to our live online classes. So if you want to register for our live online classes, then you can simply go to the link given in the description. All you have to do is to click on that link and it will open up a Google form for you. You have to just fill your details over here, and I will personally give you a call and I will guide you how to proceed to join our live classes. See you in the next video. Thank you.